Hey guys, today we're checking out stock number 301557, and this is a 2026 GMC Canyon Elevation, and our color is Summit White. Let's take a look inside at some of our interior features that we've got on this unit. All right, so we got power windows, mirrors, locks, power driver's seat with lumbar support, interior lighting control, trailer brake. Steering wheel features forward collision alert, cruise control settings, hands-free, stereo remote controls. We are satellite radio ready. Electronic and dual climate control with heated front seats. Master window button, auto start stop, lane keep assist, USB ports, automatic transmission, 4x4 controls, and a parking brake. We are also OnStar ready. We've got our sunroof controls as well, and our interior color is jet black. Moving on to our rear passenger features, we've got power windows, the 60/40 split bench seat, a couple USB ports for your rear passengers as well. And onto our exterior, 18-inch GMC rims, got the tailgate step with the rear parking aid, a rear view camera, all of our truck box space, there you have it, guys. That's stock number 301557. You've just checked out the Summit White 2026 GMC Canyon Elevation. Thanks for watching.